Hi, welcome to our channel. So today we'll be doing a resume review, right? So I have taken a dummy resume and I'll be doing a resume review. So first and foremost, I must tell you that this is not a resume format I will ever recommend to anybody. We have a resume format and the link of that is given below. You can take it from there. Okay, the first and foremost is the name is fine. Then you can start with a headline and then a summary. uh, you can write your mobile number, email id. You can also write your LinkedIn page, right? And if you are applying in Delhi, write Delhi here in address. Don't write Haryana or Palwal. Don't use so many colors, just use one color, which will be black. The font size should be Georgia and the font size should be 12. Another important thing is write the most recent experience first. Skills, see, skills here is written both the soft skills and the hard skills. In the hard skills you can write Python or any other skills that you know. In soft skills you can write time management, patience. These are the soft skills that you can write. He has written business development outlook, which I don't understand. Languages, yes, if you know languages, people are looking for languages. So if even if you know any native language of English of India, like Gujarati or any other Marathi, you should write that only. It's not about foreign languages. Foreign languages are always plus point. uh, Another important thing is here, see, you need to creating job approvals, maintain recruiting. So this is one part, but you need to talk about results also, right? What is the result? I recruited 50 people and got revenue for of 2 lakh rupees for my company. That should be your sentence, right? Maintain recruitment, no. Write the results also. What is the result that you got? Okay, interest is okay, fine. Interest, see, interest, if we talk about things where you're creating things rather than you're consuming things, right? Cricket is a very good interest you can write about. In these all are good except video game. I would not, don't write video games. Of course no company would like their employees to be on video games all the time. So of course don't write interest like that. See, these are the small things you get rejected, but you don't take care of that. Education, see, it's okay if you didn't get very good percentage, but in your 10th, 12th or your graduation, if you have done, you must have got in certain subject a good mark, right? You can write 80% in economics or any other subject or English, right? So you need to focus on that, right? Other things are absolutely fine, right? If your age is too high, don't write date of birth, right? Of course, see, strength are equally important. Hard work, of course there are a lot of spelling mistakes. I would recommend a tool called Grammarly. It's a very easy tool to use. Very, you can just use it in your laptop and your mobile also. The link of that will also be given in this channel. So take care of these things when you are making a resume. And if you want to join our webinar on resume skills, please let us know. The link of that is given there. Do join the webinar. And that's it. Thank you very much. May you get job of your dreams.